Okay. Let me bring in Mr. Brent. Mr. Brent, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can.
All right, let's do this. Mr. Brent, sir, I'm here with your attorney for today, Mr. Trojanowski. Is my understanding he's standing in for the attorney of record. Let me call the case and we can all put appearances on. This is State of Michigan versus Robert Brandt. This is case 144094591. Mr. Trojanowski, could you put your appearance on, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Trojanowski, P76616, appearing on behalf of Mr. Robert Brandt, standing in for the attorney of record, Jason Malkowitz, as a member of Mr. Malkowitz's firm. For arraignment purposes, client stands mute, waives formal reading of the charges.
Okay, Mr. Brandt, sir, could you state your name for the record?
Robert Brandt.
Okay, Mr. Brandt, sir, today is the day set for an arraignment on the warrant. I'm going to remove the warrant in this matter. There's a recommendation to dismiss this matter due to the age of the ticket. The case is dismissed.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Y'all have a good one.
Same deal.
All right, thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Sustained.
Mr. Buck, can you hear me, sir?
Doesn't look like it does.
You.
It's not connected to video or audio.
Oh. There we go.
That ought to raise everyone's energy level, he said.
Mr. Buck, can you hear me?
Yes. How are you?
I'm doing all right. How about yourself?
I'm good. I'm good. I was just doing some lesson planning. So sorry about that audio break.
No, it's okay. Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. This is Terrence Buck. Case is SP 1013920 count 1 and SP 1093198. Strike that. SP 109322661. Mr. Buck, sir, could you state your name for the record?
Yes, Terrence Buck.
Okay, Mr. Buck, sir. These are two tickets, two separate incidents. Sir, it looks like you paid two criminal infractions that were associated with the August case, the no registration and the improper U-turn.
Yes, I was able to pay those two off. I know I received those like that same day.
Okay, so what I'm going to do, because you paid those two, I'm going to dismiss the other two.
Okay.
These matters are dismissed pursuant to this agreement.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Have a good day, Mr. Buck.
You as well.
Hello.
Ms. Banks, can you hear me?
Yes.
How you doing, man? My name is Judge Williams. Let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus Ebony Banks. This is case SP 108-8309, count 1. Also cases SP 108-313, counts 1 and 2. Ms. Banks, you're charged 3 cases out of, let's see here.
What?
Looks like 3 cases out of 1 incident. Ma'am, you're charged with 1 count of speeding 16 to 20 miles over the speed limit. Also 1 count of driving while license suspended and 1 count of no insurance. No, strike that. 1 count of driving while license suspended. 1 count of no insurance. Also 2 matters that are in warrant status. 3 matters that are in warrant status. Driving with a license expired, no registration and no insurance. Ma'am, there is a deal today that if you plead to an amended charge of speeding 6 to 10 miles over the speed limit, as well as an amended charge of failure to display a valid license. The failure to display a valid license is a no-point offense. The speeding ticket is 2 points. I'll dismiss the rest of the matters that I called. Ma'am, the fine will be $340, but I will give you time to pay that. If you'd like to talk with an attorney about this offer or your options going forward, I can put you in a breakout room with the attorney.
Okay.
Would you like to talk to an attorney today, ma'am?
I plead.
Are you sure you don't want to talk to somebody first?
I mean, I was really trying to get him dismissed. I don't know. Because I was trying to get my license back. And this is the only thing that was holding me back.
So let me put you in the room with the attorney. You can talk about your options today.
Okay.
I can't give you advice, but the attorney can. Either way.
Okay.
I skipped Brazier because I know he got a lot of cases.
He has a lot of tickets, yeah. Judge, do you see that LG K40? They are having difficulties connecting. I did chat them and tell them to dial the telephone number.
Uh-huh.
So I wind up just this because they have basically been like trying to log on since like 8:45. So I disconnected him, but I see he called back in. So I don't know his name.
We'll just leave him in the room, see if we can figure it out.
All right.
I
Hey,
just
Baba.
myself anxious ready for a plea.
Okay, I'm closing the breakout room. How you doing today?
Good. How are you?
I'm hanging in there. Can't
Good.
complain too much.
How's that little one?
Oh, she's good. About
Good.
to turn 1.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yeah,
Seems like it should be about a month, not a year.
it feels like about a month. Miss Banks, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Do you want to take the plea today, or do you want to set it for a trial date?
I was gonna take the plea.
Okay. Miss Banks, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Miss Banks. Ma'am, you understand that you have the right to go to trial on these cases?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything other than what we talked about?
No.
All right, ma'am, directing your attention to the date of May 29, 2020, where you pulled over in the area of Evergreen and Wadsworth.
Yes.
Ma'am, at that time, did you fail to display a valid license to the police officer?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea to an amended charge of failure to display a valid license as the case SP 108-8313, count 1. I'm also going to enter a plea on your behalf to an amended charge of 6 to 10 miles over the speed limit as the case SP 108-8309, count 1. As a result of those two pleas, the rest of the matters that I call will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. Ms. Banks, I'm going to assess a fine of $340 in total. Ma'am, how much time do you think you will need before you can pay that?
A month.
Okay. So, ma'am, I'm going to give you till, we'll say, March 22nd, 2021.
Okay.
Do you have any questions right now, Ms. Banks?
Not at the moment.
All right. Well, thank you very much, ma'am, and have a good day.
You said March 22nd?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Is that a good date for you?
I was thinking like April 1st.
Okay. I give you that. April 12th.
April 12th?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Do you have anything else, ma'am?
That'll be it.
Okay. Well, have a good one, Ms. Banks.
All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right.
What's the telephone number again?
It's 929-436-2866.
he's chatting back at least now.
Okay.
I should have asked his name first. All right, let's do Mario Bell.
Looks like, but this looks like it'll be a fairly easy one.
Mr. Bell, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
How you doing, sir? My name is Judge Williams. Mr. Bell, do you have a middle name?
Okay. Elijah.
Okay.
We're all set.
Okay. All right, this is.
Thank you, sir. You have a good one. You got that paperwork?
Mr. Bell, you need a second?
No, I'm at work. I was finishing up a pre-measure for a job. I'm walking back to my truck now, so I'm all set.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 2 minutes to get back to your truck. I'll bring you right back into the room.
I'm about to say, I'm at my truck right now. I'm here. I am here, ready to go.
Okay.
Do not want to delay this anymore.
All right, this is the State of Michigan versus Mario Bell, case 162468461. Sir, you're charged with driving without a license. Sir, you get your license yet? Do you have a license?
Well, no, I was trying, and when I went to the Secretary of State, because I paid off all my tickets and everything, and when I went to Secretary of State, they said that the only thing that was stopping me was this ticket in Detroit. And I'm like, well, I paid that. And she said, well, you have to go to court or something. And I'm like, well, and then you guys kept pushing my court date back, so I couldn't get my license.
Fair enough. Did you have other tickets in Detroit?
No, I only had that one.
Where were your other tickets at?
It was Canton, and then it was a Redford.
Okay, how much were those?
Well, Redford, that was like almost like two grand. And then the Canton was like, I think 300.
Jeez. All right.
Yeah.
So I'm going to dismiss these matters pursuant to an agreement. You're getting the other matters cleared.
Oh, they are already clear because my dad's actually a Detroit police officer. He came down there to try to see when I could be able to get in court. And
so, Mr. Bell, I'm going to dismiss this case. You're still going to be responsible for a $45 reinstatement fee because this matter went into warrant status.
Okay.
2 ways you can take care of that. We can apply the bond that you posted. Or if you wanted to get it done faster, because you went to court now, you can pay this. You can pay this through the pay it, and then I'll send you the bond money back.
Okay.
You can do that through the internet, the DivDat or the website.
Okay. So if I were to apply the bond money, how long would it take for that to get cleared or processed?
A couple of weeks.
So I wouldn't be able to get my license for a couple more weeks?
Yep.
And then I could just pay, or I could just pay it online today and I'll be good?
Yep, and then they'll send you the bond money back.
Okay, do I just go on the 36districtcourt.org, the website?
Yes, sir.
All right, yeah, I can do that. I'll just pay that today then on the website just so I can go schedule me a Secretary of State appointment.
All right. Good luck, sir.
All right, thank you. So that's all I need. I'm good.
You're good.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right.
All right, have a good one.
You too. It's Dennis Bjorn. Mr. Bjorn, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
All right. Sir, you're on the two lines. You got the two phones here?
Yes, I'm trying. I can't. It's hard for me to work this thing. I've never been on this stuff.
No, I hear you on this phone, so I'm gonna close the other. So when I see a video, when I see your audio, but that's good enough.
Yeah, I got.
We'll get you.
It's hard for me to try to do a check because I never did this.
Hey, that's a lot of people's first time. Don't worry about it.
All right.
Okay, let me call your case. This is State of Michigan versus Dennis Bjorn, case U2426115.
Yes.
You are charged with one count of a alcohol-related violation. Ms. Byes, do we have a copy of the ticket?
Yes, send it in now, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Bjorn, hold tight 1 second.
Okay, sir.
Did you have the offer for that too?
Yep, I see the offer. I just want to see the ticket. Mr. Bjorn,
Yes, sir.
are you on probation or parole not right now?
No, no, I ain't been on none since I got out of prison in 2014 in Tennessee.
Are you still in Detroit?
No, I live in Flint, Michigan. I'm at New Path Recovery Center. I've been there for 16 months.
Okay.
Clean.
All right, this is case U-242-61115. Mr. Bjorn, sir, you're charged with one count of disorderly conduct or consuming alcohol in public. Sir, I'm going to dismiss this matter pursuant to an agreement. Sir, please continue your treatment.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir. You have a nice day.
You too.
All right, bye.
Bye. I'm gonna do Renee Bow. This is a dismissal.
Okay.
Ms. Bow, can you hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, can you hear me?
Okay, yeah, I can. Thank you. This is State of Michigan versus Renee Bow, or Bow, case 19459-106, count 1. Ma'am, you're charged with one count of driving without a valid license. Ma'am, it looks like you took care of the wrong way ticket, so I'm gonna dismiss this license ticket. Ms. Bow, you're still gonna be responsible for a $45 reinstatement fee because this matter went into warrant status, but you take care of that and you should be all set.
Okay, do I handle that, Secretary of State?
You can handle it online at 36districtcourt.org or the DivDet kiosk.
Okay,
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
no.
They're gonna send your bond back to you.
Is there any way I can like take the 45 out of that and they just send me the rest?
They could, but it's gonna take a while. It'll take a couple of weeks. I don't know if you want to do it faster, but we can do that.
I mean, if the other way's faster, that's fine. I'll just do it that way.
Yeah, this would be much faster. That's why I didn't tell you the other way first.
Okay,
But yeah, and what's gonna happen is they're gonna send you that $200 back, but it's gonna take probably closer to a month.
okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good one.
You as well.
I got Corenzo Bailey. I think he's charged with a offer to engage. We might need a conversation.
All right. Did they make him any offer, Judge? Oh, I'm sure. Oh, you'll tell him, I'm sure. Okay.
Let's see. I mean,
You know what? I don't know. I think he was, yeah. Oh,
Bailey. Oh, as charged.
Oh, all
I think
right.
it's the second one. All right, yeah. Mr. Bailey, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, this is State of Michigan versus Corenzo Bailey case. 1 second here. U582-34720. Mr. Bailey, sir, you're charged with 1 count of soliciting another for the act of prostitution. Sir, today is the date time set for a pretrial. There is no offer at this time. Sir, we have an attorney today. He's going to talk to you in a breakout room about your options going forward today. You can plead as charged, or you can take this matter to trial. But you guys can go over whatever the best option is in private, okay?
Okay.
So let me put you in the breakout room. Open room. So just join the room.
This other
Okay, Judge, Mr. Bailey, could we set up a bench trial?
Sure. Mr. Bailey, sir, we're going to continue your not guilty plea and set this matter for a trial. Sir, let's see, is there a day of the week that's better for you?
Whenever's a good time for me.
Okay. Are you on probation or parole right now?
I'm on probation.
Okay. Third Circuit or Frank Murphy?
I believe Frank Murphy.
Okay. So we'll set this matter for a trial date March 18th, 2021 at 10 o'clock.
March 18th. Okay.
All right, do you have any questions so far, sir?
No, sir.
All right, thank you very much. Have a good one.
You too.
I'm gonna do Brazier.
All right.
He's getting credit for time, sir.
Oh, okay.
Mr. Brazier, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Let me call your cases. This is State of Michigan versus David Brazier. Case SP 109-4594, counts 1, 2. 1 second here. And 3. SX4, check the SX 147-64671. Case 16227-525, counts 1 and 2. Case 18504-7201. Case U 47079218. Case 134194041. Case 14523-491, counts 1 and 2. Case 14556-767, counts 1 and 2. And case 16254-606, counts 1 and 2. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
David Ashley Brazier.
Okay, Mr. Brazier, sir, there's been an offer in this matter that would allow you to plead to an amended charge of disorderly conduct for case U 470-79218, which is amended from offer to engage another for the act of prostitution, and an amended charge of failure to display in case 254606, count 1, amended from driving while license suspended. You pleaded those 2 matters. The rest of the matters that I called today will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. Sir, I can put you in a room with an attorney to talk about your options today if you like.
Real quick, do you mind repeating that again for me?
Okay,
About
so
dropping down disorderly conduct.
You'll be pleading 2 counts, disorderly conduct and failure to display a valid license, with the rest of the matters that I called to be dismissed.
Okay, and what counts with the disorderly conduct? Is it,
were you recently arrested?
no, yes, in July, yes.
How long were you in custody?
From like Friday early morning, like 1 a.m. to Sunday about 7 p.m.
I give you 2 days Wayne County Jail, but credit for the time that you served. So the case is to be closed today.
Okay, well, I'd like to do that.
All right, sir, could you raise your right hand? Promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, Mr. Brazier, sir, you put your hand down. Anybody promise you anything other than what we talked about?
No, sir.
Anybody forcing you to take a plea?
No.
All right, sir, directing your attention to the date of June 26, 2018, sir. Were you in the area of Telegraph and Bennett at around 4 p.m. that day?
Yes, sir.
Sir, at that time, did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes, sir.
All right, accepting your plea as to case 247079218 to the amended charge of failure to display. 1 second here.
Disorderly judge.
Oh, strike that. To the amended charge of disorderly conduct. Thank you very much. And sir, directing your attention to the date of 1 second. April 14th, 2016. Sir, were you pulled over in the area of Myers and McNichols?
Possibly. You said 2016. I'll say yes.
What's that?
I said I'll say yes.
Sir, at that time, were you driving without a license?
Yes, sir.
All right, accepting your plea as to the amended charge of failure to display a valid license. In case 16254-606, count 1. Sir, as a result of those 2 pleas, I'm going to dismiss the rest of the matters that are called pursuant to this agreement. Sir, I'm going to give you 2 days credit time served, and these matters are closed. So, Mr. Brazier, sir, that takes care of the cases that were up for today. I would note that you still have some civil infractions that you're going to have to pay off before you can get a license. But we knocked out a lot of cases today. Do you have any questions?
Yes. So is there a way I can get on the payment plan to get on
Well, the matters that you have to pay, there's no warrant out, so you can pay as much as you want when you want to. You just won't be able to get your license until it's taken care of.
So I heard something about a restricted license before. I guess like for
you got to
work
talk to the Secretary of State about that. I don't control your license or anything, but you know, if you go to the website 36districtcourt.org or the DivDat kiosk, you can put money on it anytime you want to. There's no warrants on these cases. There's no time frame. You just got to take care of them.
Okay.
Do you have any questions? Any more questions?
No, that's not it, is it? I'm really thinking. I got court for the July case I called as well.
The CCW?
Yes.
Let's see. That's not before me. That's going to be before. Let's see. That's Judge Kenneth King. What day is that? No, that's set for today at 11.
Is that through Zoom or did I have to show up?
Let's see. I believe scheduled for, I think this is in person.
Oh my God. Listen, Your Honor, I called 36th District to find out about it. They only told me that I had the Zoom. They told me I did not have to show up. I tried to call my lawyer, Coral Watts, several times. I left her messages. She did not get back to me. That's what made me call 36th District. They told me I only had to do a Zoom. They didn't tell me about both courts.
Sir, can you get down here? Your case is at 11.
No, cause I'm thinking I can go to work. I'm all the way out in Flint, Michigan.
Okay.
Well, if you call your attorney, Cora Watt, just ask her to confirm if your case is going today.
But she's not. I called through during business hours. Each time I called, no one is from her attorney office is answering nor returning my phone call, so I can't ask her any questions.
And did you call her this morning?
I have not. I called her Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Okay, try calling her this morning because she's probably checking on your case now to make sure whether it's going or not.
So can I call right now while I'm on the phone with you? While I'm on this?
You're done with us.
Okay.
Yeah, but you know, yeah, call your attorney. Just try to get it rescheduled.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
Yeah, one more.
Okay.
I don't know who this is. Hi, ma'am. Can you tell me your name?
No, she's not connected, Judge.
There we go. There we go. Now you're on mute. You gotta unmute it now. Yeah, there we go. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Man, what is your name?
Jasmine Cheeks.
You said Jasmine Cheeks?
Yes.
Oh, you might be in the wrong courtroom. Let's see here.
Yes.
That's Henry Johnson.
That's Henry Johnson, Judge.
Yep. What's Has she got a case up today?
I don't have a case up today. I called over the phone and they told me Friday to join they gave me your name and to join this Zoom meeting for my traffic tickets.
My name.
No idea why.
Yep. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm not your judge. Let's see.
Okay. Do you know how would I go about finding the right judge?
Sure.
I'm gonna give her the phone number to Judge Henry Johnson because she needs to talk directly to Jamie.
Okay.
Hold on 1 second.
So we're gonna try to find the courtroom that you belong in. Give you a phone number there, okay, Miss Cheeks?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Henry Johnson.
Coming
Okay,
up.
ma'am. Their phone number is 313.
Okay.
965.
Okay.
2403.
Okay. Now, am I just calling this number?
You need to talk to the judge. I mean, to the judge's clerk, and she'll tell you what their process is as far as your case is being heard.
Okay. Thank you so much. And I apologize for the inconvenience.
Oh no, you're.
Okay. Have a good day.
Miss Cheeks.
Yes.
Remember to change your name when you do the Zoom, just because it's easier to check you in when you got your real name up there, so we know who you are. Okay. I would have told you a long time ago.
Okay.
All right, man. Have a good one.
Okay, you too.
Bye.
Yeah, I gotta
I got nothing else.
Okay.
All righty.
All right.
All right. Good to see everybody. Take care.
Ooh, man, take care.
See you at
Thank you.
1:30.
See you at 1:30.
See you at 1:30.
All right.
Oh, I thought you were gonna tell us no, but see you at 1:30.
Not this time.